Hi, I hope all of you are doing good. So this video is for what all I use for my dry hair, which are also very unmanageable. I am really sick of them, but I have dry hair, frizzy hair, and I do have to take a lot of care. But at least it's better than oily hair because you have to shampoo every other day, so at least I can skip them for 4 days. And my hairdresser is like, she always clips me, no, wash it regularly, no matter how dry your hair. The Mumbai humidity is so bad, you should wash your hair regularly. So yeah, I do wash my hair regularly, don't clip anymore. So the shampoo which I love for my dry hair is L'Oreal Professional line, the purple one. It's really good time. It's really good for dry hair. But whenever I oil my hair, I don't use it. I first apply Dove or Johnson's Baby, and then over that I use this one because it will not take out all the oil in one go. So whenever I oil my hair, I wash with other shampoo, any normal shampoo, and then this one. This comes for 450 for 250 ml bottle, and it lasts really long, maybe 2 months, I think, 2-3 months. It's really good for dry hair like mine. And then for conditioner, I use the same Time, the purple one. It's good, but now these days I don't use much conditioner because I believe they weighs my hair down, which I don't like because I have wavy hair, so they make them really dull. So what I do is I wash with this one, and then I apply a leave-in conditioner, the Tech one. I have 2 leave-in conditioner, both Tech, the brownie ones. This one is for super smooth hair, and it's good if you want your hair to be smooth. But this one, this bottle, this tube, it is for spiral one, like the wavy. So my hairdresser, she suggested me I should go for this one rather than this. It will make my hair smooth, but then she said I have very wavy hair, so this one is the best, and I'm liking it very much. It's been a month I'm using this regularly. It is the best leave-in conditioner for dry and wavy hair. You should really try this one. It comes for 550. I bought it from B Bland Abhina Akhtar Saloon. It's the best, and this is really good. This Tech Hair Mix Spiral Splendor, really nice for wavy hair which are dry and not manageable. But other than that, I also believe in serum, but using all the things like shampoo, conditioner, serums, leave-in conditioner will really make your hair down. So don't use all the things regularly. Serums are good. This one is also the Tech one, and it is for 525. You really don't have to take much. It's tiny bit. Just take it on your palm and then rub it, and then down here. But for this leave-in conditioner, you really have to take like a good amount, and then rub it, and not on your roots, just your length. And then I don't use brush. You know, the brush, the worst thing you could do to your hair is use brush. Never ever use brush. They are the worst thing you could ever do to your wavy hair, because what they'll do is they will remove all the natural waves from your hair. I never use brush. Earlier I used to use brush, but now no brushes for me, only wide tooth comb. I wash my hair, apply my and let them dry for a few minutes in towel, and then apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I comb my hair whichever parting I want, this way or that way, and then just scrunch it from down, so they make these really nice natural curls. Can you see that these are all natural? I have not done, but my hair was never like that. It's now that I have found some really good reasons, some really good products, and they are the best in the market. The L'Oreal Professional range for oily or whatever hair. My mom, she has oily hair, and I have given her this oily shampoo. It's really good. It's doing miracle to her hair, and for me they are the best ones. The L'Oreal This Time range and the Tech range spiral one for wavy hair. And if your hair are frizzy, not wavy, just use the Hair Mix Supreme Smooth. This is for 600, this one is for 550. And please buy from authentic salons. Don't buy anywhere in a mall. They do sell, they said we have L'Oreal counters, but I personally say they'll hardly reduce 50 rupees or so. Don't buy from them, buy from authentic salons from L'Oreal. It's not an ad I'm doing for L'Oreal, it's my personal thing, and I have bought them. There are no freebies from L'Oreal. I bought them from my husband's money. So these are few products which I love for my dry, wavy, frizzy hair. L'Oreal shampoo, leave-in conditioner, sometimes like a mask thing, and no, this conditioner. I hope you like them, and if you have any questions, do mail me. Other than that, I do use curd a lot. Maybe every 15 days I use curd in my hair. Today also I used curd, but there's no shine as such. Thank you, bye bye, take care, and do keep watching.